In this training video, we'll be going over adding inspection dates. So as you can see, we've already added the affected areas that we've been working on. That's already been done. And in other words, the owner insured is Taylor Reading. It lets you know what job you're working on, and then the job address as well, claim number if is there. So now the next thing we got to do after we already added our areas is add inspection dates. So what you can do, in a lot of cases, you're going to be doing an inspection date day by day. You certainly can do that. So you would click on this button right here, add inspection dates. Now, as you can see, we've got a bonus room, a den, a garage. If you're going to do an inspection on all three of these areas on the same day, well, just click all. If you were just going to do an inspection on the den, you just click den. In our case, it's going to be all. And we're going to be just doing one inspection date for right now. So it's on the 29th. So you're going to click it the first time and then click it again because we're only doing one date. Okay, you click it twice, beginning and then ending. And then you would click apply and you check it out right up here to make sure it's the right date. Click OK. And sure enough, the inspection date has been added, as you can see. This is the initial inspection date. Won't be needing that. And then the den. All the dates have been added for all three areas automatically. So I also want to say that when you add inspection dates, which is right there, you'll notice that I'm doing psychometric report. Well, something that's really nice is we made it where your moisture map is also going to add those same dates. So these two areas will automatically add the dates, when you initialize it right there. So you can see there's your dates, all done. Also, let's say that you wanted to remove a date for whatever reason. You just simply click on that X, and these two could stay on or leave them all, but that's where you would remove something. Now, let's say that you wanted to add multiple inspection dates. Okay, so you go back there, and I'm going to say all again, meaning all these areas are going to be inspected, but I want more dates this time, more days. So we already did the 29th on a singular date, but I want to do, let's say, 3 days more. So I'll click on here, okay, and then we got to go back to the calendar. We've already clicked on that first date, and we're going to highlight it here and go all the way to the 2nd, okay. We have a total of 3 dates because the other calendar was over here. We're into December now. So we click on apply. They just got highlighted. Okay, double check your work from the 30th to the 1st and the 2nd. Okay, bonus room, den, garage. Yeah, that's what I want. Click on OK. And just like that, these dates have been added. Fantastic. I really like this function. And then, of course, the den was automatically populated, these new 3 dates, and the garage was populated. And in addition to that, okay, remember, we're on psychometric report, and we're talking about adding inspection dates. Well, let's check out the moisture map. Even though we didn't go there, look what happened. All the dates are duplicated, okay? Okay, that's your initial inspection date, as I showed you before, and then so forth. So all these areas have been populated with the same inspection dates that you have on your psychometric report. So again, moisture map, it doesn't matter where you start either, by the way. You can start on moisture map if you want and add dates there, and then it'll populate to the psychometric report as well. It's really just up to you. So adding inspection dates is super easy, and you can do it anytime you want. So that's how we do that. To your success, and thank you for watching.